Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install custom price alerts on investing.com step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to investing.com.
Log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one.
Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the homepage.
Type in the asset or security for which you want to set a price alert. Click on the relevant result to go to its dedicated page. Scroll down to find the Price Alerts section on the Asset page. Click on the Add Alert button within that section.
A new window will appear prompting you to set your alert conditions.
Choose the type of alert you want, such as price, percentage change, or volume.
Enter the specific price or percentage where you want to receive the alert. Set your preferences for how you'd like to be notified, such as by email or push notification. Review your settings to ensure they're correct. Click on the Create Alert button to finalize the process. You will see a confirmation message indicating your alert has been set.
To manage your alerts, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select My Alerts from the drop-down menu to view or edit existing alerts. Make any necessary changes and save them as needed. Your custom price alerts are now set and will notify you according to your preferences.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.